Purpose and operation of main engine and auxiliary engine on a ship. 1. Purpose of the main engine. The main engine is the primary propulsion system of most ships. Its main job is to turn the propeller, pushing the ship forward through the water. On most cargo, tanker, and bulk vessels, this is a large, low-speed, two-stroke diesel engine directly connected to the propeller shaft. It burns heavy fuel oil, or marine diesel oil, and operates efficiently at low revolutions per minute. Key point: the main engine is only used to move the ship and typically runs only when the vessel is sailing. 2. Purpose of auxiliary engines. Auxiliary engines, or diesel generators, provide electrical power for the ship's systems and operations. They supply electricity to navigation and communication equipment, lighting and air conditioning, pumps, winches, motors, galley equipment, ballast systems, safety systems, and more. Most ships have 2 to 4 auxiliary generators, which are 4-stroke diesel engines coupled with alternators to produce power. Even when the main engine is off, like when the ship is in port, the auxiliary engines are still running to support all onboard systems. 3. When is the main engine necessary or not? Main engine is necessary on conventional ships, cargo ships, tankers, bulk carriers, ships with direct shaft-driven propellers, vessels using diesel mechanical propulsion. These ships rely on a large main engine to generate the torque needed to push a heavy ship efficiently across long distances. Main engine is not equipped on ships with electric propulsion systems such as 1. Diesel-electric ships. Use diesel generators to produce electricity, which powers electric motors connected to the propeller, common in cruise ships, offshore vessels, modern ferries. 2. Battery-electric ships. Fully powered by battery banks charged from shore, seen in zero-emission ferries or harbor tugs. 3. Hybrid ships. Combine diesel generators and battery systems for flexible, fuel-efficient operations. In these ships, the traditional main engine is eliminated and propulsion is handled by electric motors, often driving azipods or thrusters. Conclusion: the main engine moves the ship. The auxiliary engines power everything else. On modern electric ships, the main engine may be replaced entirely by electric motors, making ships quieter, greener, and more flexible. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to see more video of us.